Now what are you doing?
I'm trying to sell some cars. What are you doing?
I was just thinking about filming. Should we show the viewers what's going on in the workshop?
Yeah, you know what? It's actually quite active today. Let's have a look. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Close that door, because this rabbit is going to escape. Say hello to my rabbit. That's Rosie. Come on, close this door. But be careful of Marco's Audi.
Which one's Marco's Audi?
The R8. That's his. Come on, come round.
Nice.
Have a look at this. Look what Pete's doing to the Austin Healey. He's got shitty music on, but there you go.
Oh, that works.
Yeah, rewiring the whole Austin Healey. He knows what he's doing. And I like his sexy hair too.
Good morning, people.
So what we're doing here is sorting out all the electrics. Pete's doing all the electrics, rewiring the whole car. It's a customer's car, and only Pete can work on it. We don't trust anyone else. Have a look at this car, have a look around. Okay. What are we doing at the moment?
This is for the headlights. It's got a foot switch inside, which is the headlight to main beam conversion, and they've left the wires outside, so I've got to run it inside the car.
Come on. We're just putting, I think we're putting some suspension in here. Look at that. High back springs. Oh, that is. Links, blah, blah, blah. So just putting that in. This is a customer's car. His name is Abs. What's his name?
Abs.
Abs. I'll show you what's happening outside. SLC, that is. So he wants us to put this body kit front on. These front and rear. We're going to glue them on, and then we're going to paint it. I don't like it, but the customer likes it, and that's what he's going to get. Good. And that's your lot for today. That's what's happening.